Food can make you feel happy, but it can also have other effects on your mood and action. According to a recent study conducted by the University of California, certain foods can turn you cranky and angry. Here are the foods that have a negative impact on people's moods. According to a University of California study, trans fatty acids are associated with aggression. Trans fats are the worst kind of fats, and tasty junk food has an abundance of them. Solidified oil in the form of margarine, hamburgers, french fries, and fried chicken prepared in used oil are oozing with trans fat. This is why junk food is not just a contributor to obesity but also to grumpiness and aggression. According to research, trans fats interfere with omega-3 metabolism. Omega-3 fatty acid is something that our brain needs to keep us happy and snappy. In some studies, deficiency of omega-3 fatty acid has been linked to depression and antisocial behavior. A study conducted on prison inmates' violent behavior and diet found that giving inmates multivitamins and fatty acid supplements led to a drop in violent offenses by 37%. The other group of inmates were given a placebo and had recorded a 10% drop. A diet rich in fish, vegetables, and food is not just good for our body but also our brain. Though trans fats are bad and have been related to aggression, it is not like eating a burger will make someone go around throwing punches at people. An eating pattern rich in junk food diet impacts the brain gradually. Just the way eating food with trans fat may trigger aggression, not eating could cause a whirlwind of uncontrollable emotions. As per a study conducted by Cambridge University, when levels of the brain chemical serotonin dip from stress or not eating, it affects the brain region that regulates anger. Small modifications in diet can help with anger management. Instead of sticking to just fried chicken or roasted meat, load your plate with fruits and vegetables. Eating plenty of dopamine-building foods such as fish, poultry, and leafy greens can help your brain regulate negative moods better. Omega-3 fatty acid is found in fish, flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts, and it helps in fighting off feelings of depression. Omega-3 supplements are also available off the counter. Limiting added sugar by replacing desserts with fruits is also a healthier diet option for physical and mental health. Fast food is called junk food for a reason. A series of experiments conducted by Canadian researchers show that merely thinking about fast food makes a person impatient. The food we eat has a more far-reaching impact on our health than we realize. Fast food restaurants are also designed using bright colors like yellow and red that are mentally stimulating. With harsh lighting and bright colors, fast food joints are designed to make you eat fast and too much. Our brain takes 15 to 20 minutes to grasp if our stomach is full. If we speed eat, then we eat much more than we need. Fast food is addictive, and the reason is trans fats. Trans fat in many fried foods can hinder your brain's ability to gauge how hungry you are along with how much you have eaten. In extreme cases, serious fast food addiction can develop. Well, there is some truth in the saying you are what you eat. So eating healthier food could make you feel better. Tune into ShowFit for more on diet and health.